Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're going to connect your channel to Google Analytics quickly. First, open YouTube Studio and confirm you own the channel, then switch to your Google Analytics account. Create or pick a GA4 property and copy the measurement ID. Once done, add that ID via your site tag or Google Tag Manager on any linked website and enable enhanced measurement. Make sure to grant permissions to collaborators so data flows. This starts events and page view collection that let you analyze watch behavior. Now configure the middle layer, events and audiences. You'll map video interactions, play, watch time, abandon, into GA4 as events and mark important ones as conversions so you track value. Create audience segments for frequent viewers, subscribers, and drop-off cohorts to compare behavior. Once configured, use debug view and real-time reports to validate that events fire correctly. If counts look off, check tag triggers and parameter names. This gives you granular slices to optimize thumbnails, titles, and finish by turning data into actions. Explore engagement and monetization reports, then build explorations to compare cohorts and pinpoint which videos retain viewers best. Once you find patterns, run experiments, test thumbnails, openers, and CTAs, and measure lift with your defined conversions. If you don't see expected data, first verify GA4 permissions and property filters, then inspect tag implementation and event parameter names. If problems persist, use debug view and SRM logs to trace missing hits. One quick fix usually restores accurate reporting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.